Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd, or sorry, Thursday, April 2nd. It's late as hell right now. I low-key fell asleep earlier, and I did not post yesterday because I took the worst trade probably of my whole career yesterday. Um, I wasn't too happy with it. Obviously, it was the worst trade of my career. I didn't post a recap over it just because I didn't even want to how do I say, bother entertaining that whole time period, and by time period I mean like the 2 hours that I was on the charts, just because of how bad it was. I was $40 away from passing my eval, and that it caused me to take the worst setup I've ever taken. I literally was entering off of hopes and dreams. I was like, all I need is $40. I'm gonna enter and just let it go up 2 ticks, and I ended up going $500. I hit the daily loss limit, but it's okay. Today we bounced back. You see the P&L for today, which puts me at around it's kind of ironic, another $40 to passing the eval. So we are in a good scenario right now. I'm looking forward for tomorrow. So let's just get into today's prize action, right? So if we go into the 4 hour, we have two 4 hour gaps that are untouched that I was looking to target. I was bullish today. I honestly had a pretty interchangeable bias because we have this huge we were super overextended right here, and then we are in this 4 hour gap. So with confirmation to the upside, then I'm bullish. And then if we were to tap into this gap and go lower, then I would have been bearish. It was very textbook today. It was very easy. So marking these 4 hours, 4 hour gaps on both sides. Okay, let's get into it. So we were already in this 30-minute gap as market was opening. The time it's 8:30 right here. I thought, here, I'll play one more. Okay, so by 9 we inverse this 30-minute gap right here, which solidifies my bullish bias for the day. We did have an SMT, or not an SMT, but I guess we didn't inverse it on this index. So I was being cautious of that and waiting, but let's get down to the 5-minute and get right into it. So market opens, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, we inverse it. So perfect. I'm bullish for the day. No question, no doubt in my mind about being bullish. Also inversing this other 5-minute gap. So just bullish all around. It's very easy to see. Let's play. Yeah. Market manipulates lower. If you were to have taken a trade down to this London low right here, that wouldn't have been bad. The only reason I didn't take this is because it was 5 minutes into market open, and it just wasn't, it just wasn't enough. It's too early and not enough confirmation or continuation. You're kind of just entering. You're ready to get manipulated. Not saying it was a bad trade, because we were in this minute, or we were in some gap. So maybe you could think we were on a SMT on the other time frame, and then get confirmation to the downside, enter lower. But I did not take that trade because I was bullish today. So after this candle opens, I thought we made a 5-minute SMT, or not SMT. Yeah, okay, we did. We have this gap right here. I was telling myself, if we inverse this gap, I'm entering. And what do? We inverse this gap. So we have this 5-minute bearish gap that got us disrespected, showing me that the market wanted to go higher, because that's bullish order form. So my full take profit was right here with my stop loss somewhere around there. I got break even, or here, I'm sorry, I'll let it play out. I got break even, I think, at this gap right here. So after we hit take profit 1, it was there was a higher somewhere right there. I moved my stop right there, and then I did get break even by 1 tick, but it was okay. So yes, that is the trade I took today, and I made 611 on the eval. Whoa. And tomorrow I might have an opportunity to pass, so I'm looking forward to tomorrow. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all next time I post.